Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create glowing or reflective watermark on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, we have to create text video. You can click on new project, and then you're going to go to the library and then search for the black background. Okay, and then I'm going to select this one guys, and I'm going to add it to my project, and I'm going to add my watermark right here. I'm just going to type in watermark like this, and you can change the font if you want. I'm just going to use this font. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Alright, and I'm gonna click on this check mark, and you can adjust the duration according to your video duration. Okay, and wait, I'm going to remove the ending, and we're going to save this text video. Okay, and after the text video has been saved, I'm going to create new project again, and I'm going to import the text video to my project, and I'm going to select overlay, add overlay, then I'm gonna go to the library and then search for the reflection video, and I'm gonna go with this one guys. I'm gonna add it to my project, and wait, I'm going to adjust the duration. Alright, and I'm going to blend it. We can go to the splice menu, and then I'm going to select darken. Okay, and then we're going to save this video. Okay, and then you're going to create new project again. Then you will be able to use this glowing or reflective watermark for your video. I'm just going to go to the library again, and then I'm gonna go with this video. Okay, and for example, I'm going to add the watermark to this video. I'm gonna go to the overlay, add overlay, and then I'm going to add my watermark. Okay, wait guys, I'm going to make it smaller, and then you can place the watermark on the part of the video that you want. Okay, I'm going to place it right here, and then I'm going to go to the splice and then select lighten or filter. I prefer the filter. Okay, and then this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create glowing or reflective watermark on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.